nobody even cares. I mean, that is sad. That looks a lot better. At least nothing's hanging down and catch nothing. This one here, I'm gonna address that later if you can see it. And I got something over here, but I might punch a hole here to hold this up a little bit. I can't really go too far anyway. That's it. I got one little thing dressed over there. Then I'm gonna quit on get tires checked. I know a couple of them are pretty low from setting. All right, we're working underneath the sink base here. This little panel was cracked and falling off. It goes right here, like that. It's kind of cheap little thing, but if you're gonna use this for any type of storage, I'm gonna put something back so it don't fall down this hole here. So I'm gonna try to make it a little better if possible. Might make it worse, but hopefully a little better. I've got a plan. I already got this block cut out, so got that out, and I'm gonna set that on here like this. And we'll screw that all together, then drop it in there. And I think that'll work pretty good. Actually, it's backwards. You just sit on there like that. What it needs to do. Okay, I got this little thing built. And going to go in there just like that. Maybe. Oh, how do you get in there? So, like that. A couple screws. So this black thing, if you can see it, that's the back of a TV for the outside entertainment system. Okay, I'm gonna just put a couple face screws in this. It'll be a lot easier. And I ain't got no brown ones, I got black ones. You don't see it anyway. Well, hopefully this will work good, and that way if I gotta get in there, I can just take them two face screws out. The way they had it glued and stapled. Strip it out. So okay, it's got two black screws in it, but don't look that bad. And this thing shows up on lights. So, all right, that's it. I'm gonna wipe that out, and that's done. And you can see all the seat belts and stuff. So I was gonna come out here and take all this steel out of there, so I could use it for storage. And I got thinking I might just leave it, and I think I'm gonna go cut a piece of plywood to fit down in there and lay on top of these runners. And one reason I want to leave them, and probably never use them, nobody probably will, but see these bolts? They come up from underneath, and this thing got that underbelly. I can't get to them when they drop out. And I could loosen them and fish them out of there, but I would probably never get them back. I don't know. I just don't think I'm going to go down that road. I think I just want to cut a piece of plywood, lay on top of this, come all the way across, and that'd be good enough storage and be pretty simple. So I'm going to go cut a piece, drop it in there and see what it looks like. If I like it, I'm going to do the other one. If I don't like it, then I go to a plan C. If it fits. There. I might cut it again. It's just a crazy thing over here. Once I take it off. Alright, I'm gonna go get the drill. Right back. Well, it's on. I got staples. I was getting ready to brag about this gun. And I guess I still will, because it's a pretty sweet staple gun. You know, if I was smart, I would trace that out for the other side, but I ain't gonna do it because it'd probably never fit anyway. Yeah, all better. Okay, that ain't bad. I'm gonna go get a shorter staple real quick. All right, I found some 3/4 inch staples. I didn't really find them. I knew where it was at, I guess. I'm gonna just tack that. Said all this is just for drinks, so. We'll get my tape measure. That looks pretty good. I'm sure them guys didn't measure nothing. That's bright. Yep, it didn't take very long, only a few minutes, and that's some pretty nice storage right there. Ain't got the seat belts always got to deal with. They're a big channel. So still don't know what these straps are. It must be when you turn into a pad. I don't know. It's Velcro into that. Yeah, that's a lot better on this side. I put 2 washers on this side. Let's see what it does. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hope this helped. See you on the next one.